Okay, now let's show you what a bed looks like after it comes up. Here was planted in the fall of last year, and I brought this through the winter in this little raised bed. And today we want to do some weeding and thinning. So some of these parsley plants are too close together, and we want to. Some would like to say, well, how do you know the difference between the parsley plants and the weeds? Well, you can pretty much see the leaves of the parsley plant are right here. And most of these weeds look nothing like parsley. So we want to pick everything that doesn't look like parsley out of the bed. That way, we don't have the weeds competing with the parsley. In here we have parsley. It's really, really thick. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and see where the little parsleys are, and we're going to pull them out. Now, parsley is a very hardy plant. Some plants don't like to be transplanted. But with parsley, you can practically throw it down on where you walk, and it'll try to send that root down and start growing again. You can see it has a nice long root. We trim off all the leaves except the very center one so that it doesn't have to work real hard to reestablish itself. We're going to find an area where there is no parsley. And you see it's real crowded right here. There's a plant here, but there's not much going on right here. So we're going to push down. I'm using my finger. You can use a stick or whatever tool you have. The ground is really loose, and we plant that little seedling right there. And of course, once you plant the seedling, it's also good to water it in. In this case, we have really moist soil, so we don't have to worry about that.